you ready to bring a touch of Paris to your wardrobe with this neutral color lookbook? And the star of the show is none other than the Vivaia shoes.
Stick around for an exclusive discount code. Hi, I'm Lydia from thelidiaedit, your go-to channel for all things beauty and French fashion. Today, we're exploring the chic world of Parisian style, and I'll be showing you how to style these and 2 other pairs of Vivaia shoes. And guess what? I have an exclusive discount code for you, so let's get started. Vivaia is a chic brand of footwear focusing on creating stylish and sustainable footwear that is eco-friendly and responsible. All of their products are made by recycled materials and 3D technology. Each pair of shoes is the reincarnation of 6 plastic bottles from city waste and the ocean. It's really fantastic, don't you think? I do, and I have an even more fantastic thing to give to you guys, which is a discount code for 12% off site-wide. The discount code is Lydia12. Very easy to remember. So let me tell you what I think about the shoes, and let me show you how I style them so you can make an accurate decision on how to use your discount code. Remembering that Vivaia also offers global support and a 30 days free return and exchange policy. So the shoes from Vivaia are generally really comfortable, flexible with relief insoles. They are all waterproof, and I found them to be a little bit more on the smaller size. So I really suggest you size up. But also please refer to the chart, the size guide chart that you have on the individual pairs you're interested in, because different cuts sit very differently and wear very differently on your feet. Measure your foot and decide which size to get. The great things is that they have half sizes. And the other great thing for me is that the shoes are so flexible that they can accommodate my orthopedic insoles really well. And this is definitely a plus for those of you who also need orthopedic insoles, because as you can see, they stretch. On the negative side, I think the toe here is a little bit short. As you can see, this is the Vivaia one, and for comparison, let me show you my usual one. Can you tell the difference in these toes? Or also these 2 toes. And what this means is that for people like me who have a much bigger toe than the other toes, like the most comfortable in that area of your foot, but everything else is truly amazing and a great comfort that I highly suggest you try. But the rest of the shoe fits like a slipper, I kid you not. I guess this is my wish for the brand, to listen to this feedback and improve the toes a little bit, considering people who have very straight toes and bigger and straighter toes, because instead of pressing down, it will just fit like a slipper. And I find the high heels to be the most comfortable high heels I've ever tried. Now let me show you how I style them. And let's start with the Ryan Pro. Ryan Pro is a square toe, water repellent Chelsea boot. It has a pressure relief insole like every other Vivaia shoe. They come in a lot of colors and in some patterns as well. And I've chosen the leopard print. This print is a little bit more sophisticated for those people who like to dare a little bit more, but stay within the boundaries of a timeless print. Ideal to dress up a more casual outfit, an all black outfit, give it a little bit more personality. These shoes scream Montmartre to me. They're toned down and practical in the shape, and yet they have a little bit more of an artistic personality infusion to them thanks to the print. The second pair I tried, and undoubtedly my favorite pair, is the Marcela boots. These are square toe sock boots. They have a 5.5 centimeter block or wedge heel, which is really comfortable. And they come in a lot of different colors. This cut is definitely a timeless piece that go very well with both pants and skirts, especially mini skirts, with a more preppy style or an office style. Now this cut makes me think of Le Marais with its second-hand stores and boutiques, because they have this 60s, 70s Beatles vibe to them. They also make me think of Le Quartier Latin et La Sorbonne for their preppiness and elegance. Now let's talk about Julie Pro. These are round toe block heel kind of ballerina style with a cap on its toe, and they're really reminiscent of the infamous Chanel slingbacks. They have a very elegant and classic style. The heel is super comfortable. It's a 4.5 centimeter block heel, so it's really perfect for comfort, but also for a good feet to back posture. Their style really reminds me of both Opéra and Saint-Germain-des-Prés, with their history, both artistic and intellectual, but also the elegance of the luxury boutiques like Hermès, like Le Bon Marché. So all in all, I really like the shoe and I encourage you to try them, especially if you want to be a little bit more sustainable with the new year. All of the links for the shoes I styled today are in the description down below. And don't forget to use my discount code, which is Lydia12, for 12% off your order. If you like these lookbook videos, give this one a thumbs up and let me know in the comments down below what you want to see next. Bye!